Assalamualaikum dear students. This is physics lecture unit 13 electrostatics. Topic says capacitor. Capacitor is a device used for storing charge. It consists of two conductors separated from each other, carrying charges of equal magnitude but opposite signs. So the simple figure 13.15 is shown in this slide, which is presenting the charge positive Q, negative Q, and space in between these two charges. Elements of a capacitor. Two isolated conductors of any shape having the positive charge and negative charge. These isolated conductors are called the conducting plates or conductor plates. Each capacitor carries a charge of same magnitude, one positive and other negative. So in between these two plates, a field is developed as dielectric and the amount is V. What is dielectric? The insulating medium that separates the plates of a capacitor, which may be air or some other insulating material, is referred to as dielectric. Now, what is the capacitance of a capacitor? The capacitance C of a capacitor is the ratio of the magnitude of the charge on either conductor to the magnitude of the potential difference between them. Mathematically, when charge Q is increased on the plates of a capacitor, the potential difference V also increases and vice versa, where Q is directly proportional to V or Q is equal to CV, where C is the constant of proportionality and is called the capacitance of capacitor. By rearranging the above formula, we can write it as C is equal to Q by V, where Q is the amount of charge and V is the potential difference. What is the unit of capacitance? The SI unit of capacitance is coulombs per volt or farad, named in the honor of Michael Faraday, such that 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per volt. The farad is a very large unit of capacitance. In practice, typically devices have the capacitance ranging from the microfarads to the picofarads. For practical purposes, capacitors often are labeled microfarad for microfarads and PF for the picofarads. Now the types of capacitors. There are different types of capacitors. Capacitors are of various sizes and shapes depending upon their construction and dielectric or the medium used between them. Each one has its own set of characteristics and applications. These capacitors may have fixed or variable capacitance values depending upon the demand of the situation. So the different shapes of the capacitors are shown in these slides. They are used for different purposes. These are the figures for the variable capacitors. And this slide is related to the fixed capacitors. So this one figure shows the view in which how the internal view will be for a capacitor. Hopefully you will learn from this lecture. Thank you.